Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the PDF in a capable reader and immediately choose Print. Once done, set the page range you need and confirm total pages so you know the pagination. Make sure to pick the correct printer, paper size, and orientation now. This avoids repeats. You also want to open the page layout or multiple pages per sheet options next, because that is the control that arranges several original pages onto one physical sheet. Now you change the layout to multiple pages per sheet. In the print dialog, pick the option labeled Multiple, Layout, or Page Sizing and Handling, then choose 2-up, 4-up, or a custom grid. Once selected, preview to confirm page order and orientation because wrong order wastes paper. You should also set scaling and whether to print page borders for readability. If you need booklet or duplex printing, enable that here and double-check margins. You finish by printing a single test sheet to confirm everything looks right. If the test shows clipping, wrong order, or tiny text, adjust scale or switch to a denser grid and preview again. When problems persist, print a PDF first so the layout is flattened, or embed fonts to prevent shifts. Make sure drivers and paper size match your settings. If it still fails, update the printer driver and recheck the layout options before printing the full batch.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.